Hello everyone. In this tutorial I show you about camera navigation of vrep software. Okay. So firstly I drag and drop a object like non-mobile or mobile. Okay. So I prefer non-mobile here. After that here is information table. Okay. So that's 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 is camera navigation. Okay. When I select on this, then I left and right like this. Okay. Here you see left and right like this. But when I select this, okay, camera rotate. That's called camera rotate. So when I camera rotate select, then here you like every angle you can rotate it. Okay. So after that, when you select camera shift, then this happen. Okay, this happen. Okay, just backward and forward it happened. Okay, see backward and forward. When I click it there is no work. Okay, after this is called camera opening angle by view size. Okay, or view size. Then I select it. After that it's view clearly. Okay, view clearly, but click on right button and move it. Okay, mind it. After that this is called fit to view means it look like for favorable on your eyes, then you can move it. Okay, fit to view means when you click on it, then it's move it on first. When you see the first view on it, then it's move it like that. Okay, so that's the camera navigation of vrep software. Try it, and those are called camera navigation. Okay, so thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.